Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. As you can see, I've pulled the Defender back inside, and it's a lot of work airing down the tires, taking the roof rack off, taking the snorkel off, taking the door handles off the door as well. But yeah, it's totally worth it. I've pulled it inside because it is now time to replace the B-pillar on the right side. It's rusted away completely at the bottom, so I've bought a new one and I've prepped it for the past few days. So here we have a completely new B-pillar, and it's all painted and it's clear coated and everything, and color coded of course. So now it will be time to do this horrible job. I've seen another video on YouTube, a guy who replaced the B-pillar, C-pillar and sill, and it doesn't look easy, and I'm a bit nervous to do this because I'm thinking that it will be a lot more work than just the B-pillar, but we'll have to do it. It just needs to be done because it's ugly, and the hinge isn't even held on correctly, so I don't think this will pass the MOT because the B-pillar on a normal car is considered a structural part. So yeah, we'll just have to do this. So I'll just show you what it looks like, so we get some befores, and then we'll get going on. So there we have the horrible sight, and it looks terrible, and it is terrible as well. The hinge is all rusted out, but I've got a full set of new ones which I've also painted and clear coated and everything. But yeah, let's open this here. And as you can see, it's just gone, totally gone. So I'll remove all the doors, remove the hinges, and then we'll see how much we can actually pull out without cutting and stuff. Yeah, we'll remove the doors, both doors, all the rubbers, the hinges, and then I'll also remove the sills and see what it looks like underneath there. So let's get started with that. Okay, now I think I've removed everything I have to remove to take the B-pillar out. So all the bolts and wires and stuff, also the seat belt, and yeah. So let's see if we can take the whole thing out now, shall we? Yay! We did it! So this was so much easier than I thought, actually. There were just a few bolts up here, 4 of them, and then there were bolts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then just the wires for the central locking, and what else, the door sensor basically, and then there was 1 bolt for the seat belt, and that was all. So that was really easy, and now I also know that it will be really easy to install the new piece as well. So yeah, nice, good bit of progress. And I'll just clean all this off and make sure to treat the sill as well. It's not that bad, it hasn't rusted through or anything, so we'll just make sure to sand everything down and repaint it, and then it will be time to fit the new B-pillar. Let's just compare the two together. Okay guys, so that's the new and the old pillar together, and as you can see the color matches really well, so I'm really happy with that. And I did a retrocan job on this, and it turned out really well, so I'm really happy with that. And this will probably be the nicest part on the whole Defender, because the rest of the paint is well, it has aged, let's call it that. And look up there, look at the height difference. They are put in the same spot, but as you can see, the bottom part of this is completely rusted away. Here you can see the hinge holes compared to there. So that's a little funny. Yeah. So what I'll do now is I'll take off the door striker and move it to this one, stuff like that. Prepare threads for the new hinges and stuff, and then we'll prepare the car to take the new part. So just clean everything off and paint everything nicely, and then we'll be ready to refit the new B-pillar. So lots of progress, but we're not done yet. So I'll get to cleaning this all up.